Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Subscribe and like would be nice from you. However, in today's video going to talk about one Chinese manufacturer who make these CCTV recorders, and what is the problem with them. I'm going to attempt to repair two of them, and you will see how it's going and where is the problem, and if I can't repair, why I can't repair. So if you are interested in such videos, stay with me until the end of video. Of course, to mention, as you already see, there is no AI voice in this video, only me who talking with my bad or good English, I don't know. It's you who have to say is it bad or good. So stay with me, like, subscribe, and let's get going. So here we have a first one already opened. This one actually do have a space for two SATA drives inside. As you can see, it have two CPUs, some memory chips, but that is not important as the device is fully dead. So after I connected it to my power supply, there is absolutely no current flowing into this device. So I started with tracing a bit until I didn't come to this IC. As you can see, when I measure voltage on this IC, there is 12 volts as input voltage on it, and neither one pin on it have any other output, any other voltage or whatever. So according to that, we can say that chip is fully dead, and that this chip, which is actual some kind of voltage converter or stabilizer or whatever, this chip does not work and causing whole device to be fully dead, as CPU or memory chips or whatever chips does not have required voltage and power to work. Problem is with this marking on the chip. As you can see, I googled, I made my post on Reddit, I was trying to get help with it wherever I know, wherever I can, and there was no help. No one knows what is it. No one see it. No one get any knowledge about what this chip exactly doing, and what kind of chip with regular markings can replace it. So this CCTV recorder is not repairable and will not be repaired at least by me. Now let's get to second CCTV recorder. Second CCTV coming from same company, so same Chinese company. This is a little newer CCTV recorder, and it looks a bit more modern. But however, as I don't like to make long videos, I will skip all steps. This is the element I found that it's short, and it's funny how I have found that during the measure process and searching process, I casually touched that element and almost fried a bit my finger. So it heating up a lot. Here I have to say, if I had this device, which cost around $150, what is for most of Western world is not expensive. For me, it's very expensive and I can't afford it. So if anyone out there wanna donate me such device, feel free to contact me. After I measured on him with ohmmeter, realized that there is short inside this element and it looks like a transistor, MOSFET or voltage stabilizer or whatever it is, but it's impossible to find what is it as Chinese manufacturers love to hide names on element or to place some markings unknown to anyone else. So my conclusion and advice at the end, avoid such Chinese equipment if you don't plan to replace them with new one instantly if they stop working, because in most cases these devices will not be repairable. That is what I have to say about it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and whatever. Comment what you think about this, and see you soon with a new video.